Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how you can write high quality and informative content for me. As a content writer, if you are a beginner and if you have watched my previous video on the same topic about how to write high quality content, then this video will help you understand how you can make your content more informative, apart from making sure it meets our standard SEO requirements. For example, now if I'm asked to write on SEO tools, there might be a topic. Of course, I'll first write an introduction, make sure that the introduction is on topic, and try to lead it towards the list of tools that I want to talk about. Now on Google, when I have searched this, you can see there are results that are showing. I can always visit these websites and get some ideas. But you see, there is this latest development that Google pays attention to content that answers these kind of questions. So if you scroll down a bit on your search page, you will see, in most cases, you will see people also ask kind of questions. To add more value to your content, you can pick up these questions and read up more information on this. You can go to this website, collect more information from here. You can make this a subheading in your content and discuss a few of those points. Then you can look up this as well. Maybe if you feel it is relevant to your content title, try to tie things up together so that it adds more value to the main title of the content. And as you notice, the more you click on these questions here, the more options Google suggests for you. So as a good writer, you will take your time, try to study the questions that people are asking and see if they relate to your title. And don't just pick any of these questions and just throw them into your content thinking it will become high quality content. It must be relevant to the main title of the article, and it must be meaningful. It must answer the questions people may have in their mind when they visit your website or the article that you are writing. I thought this is an important tip that I should share with writers on my team, and at the same time I decided to make a video for every other person out there who might want writing tips. Another important thing is these LSI keywords. If you want to write SEO optimized content for any client and the client hasn't given you keywords, assuming, you can always search something and then check the LSI keywords and use any of these in your content, as long as it is relevant to the main title and as long as it gives you like some kind of ease in writing meaningful content. So as a content writer, you must do some research and don't only stick to the first website that pops up on your screen. Always scroll down to the first 5 or even 10 websites and see if any of them has relevant information that you can add to your content and make it more meaningful and informative, especially if you're writing for me and if you're on my team. I thought this is a very important tip. I always give my writers individually, but there should be a video on this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you with answers. Thank you.